I can't believe it. This is incredible. How did it end up here?
Rot on this sidewall is severe. It won't hold air. We'll need to replace all 4 immediately. The rust near the calipers is concerning too.